All right, guys, Tech Made Easy. And you know that girl. That's Brooklyn, my yellow lab. She's just hanging out like she normally does. I mean, where would she go? I mean, seriously, she's my dog, right? I mean, she wouldn't jump in a car and go anywhere. But anyway, listen. This is my second review on replacing the recliner handles. Okay, this was an Ashley Furniture couch. I bought the set, as you can see. And before this one breaks, I decided, after finding a metal handle, check this out. I found a new handle, but look, guys, this is metal. It's not plastic. Okay, that's the big deal. Okay, metal all around. Cost me more money, but I want to make sure that I can keep these couches for a long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take out the old one and install the metal one. Okay, and I'll tell you. Let's see how I feel. So give me 1 second. I'll be back, and then we'll see if it works out and it installs nice. And I'll give you some tips and tricks along the way. All right, guys. So hey, couple things. Here's the old plastic one, okay? Now, this is fine. If you remember my old video, you saw me install the new one and take out the old one. I use, they're like 1.25 inches, I guess, drywall screws, okay? So I use 2 of those to kind of dig into the couch, and I try not to script them. Yeah, but they're about 1.25 inches if I look at that right. Okay, so again, just a good old drywall screw. Okay, so I'm using 2 of these because this is crap board, don't forget. This is made of crap board, so you got to be careful. You want to dig in and hold on. Now, one thing I want you to see, and I'm going to zoom in, okay, is here is the plastic, right? Plastic. Now here's the new one, metal, okay? Metal, completely metal. All right? I honestly highly recommend it. I didn't know these existed when I did my first review. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off now that I unscrewed it, and I'm going to install this one. All right? So I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I took the screws out of here earlier, okay? Now, in order to take off the old bracket, what you need to do is you have to release this pin. You see the pin that's holding it over here? Okay. So, very simple. All right. Just use a small screwdriver. And what you want to do is just release, and it's not that hard. And just so you'll know what this does, is it's holding onto this clamp that when we get rid of this cable, you're going to see that this clamp here is actually holding this cable in place. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove that. Again, all I'm doing in this case is pulling these out. All right, if you can see that, if I hopefully have a good view, and I'm going to pull the next one out. Okay, all right, and so now this is out, and all this does is really grab on. All right, so it holds this in place, as you can see. You put this around this and you snap them in place. It's not that hard. So I'm going to take this off for now. Don't lose it. I'm going to pull this out of the back. Okay, it just lays there. And now one of the things you're going to see is once you can get down here, you can actually take this out, a little bit of wiggling. All right, see how you have that hole in that little loop? Okay, so you just put that in, and then you pull this up and you pull it into place. Okay, but we're taking it out, so let's take it out for now. Again, plastic, metal. All right, so now what I want to do is look for the clamp real quick that came with the metal one. Give me 1 second there. All right. Okay. And it's interesting because it's a very similar clamp. It looks almost a little smaller. I'll show you. So this is the original clamp, and this is the new clamp for the metal one. So we'll see. I mean, look, this might take a moment. You know, you got to play around a little bit, but give me a second, and I'm going to see how. So again, I'm going to go ahead and take this, all right, in the metal one now. I'm going to slide this in here, and let me see if I could zoom in more for you. Okay, I know the better the view for you, the better I can help you, and the better you'll give me a thumbs up on my video. All right, well, all right, so now I got it in. As you can see, it's in there. I'm going to pull it up and clip it in, okay? All right, so that's all. And I'll do it again, all right? So you just take this piece, you put it inside the hole, a little wiggling sometimes. Once you got it in the hole, you're going to pull this up, slide the groove. You see that groove? This groove actually goes in here. All right, and now this might be hard. If this piece is as small as it is, what happens is it actually holds on a little bit. So now you have to play with these, and it might be a little harder to do so zoomed in. So give me a second, okay? All right. Oh, I got one in, and I got two in. Oh, good, good. Okay, so both are in. Once they grab that bottom, you're in a good spot. You know, that little clamp just helps out big time. Okay? Now, guys, look, all I'm going to do now is I'm going to slide this in here, and then I'm going to drill it back. Okay? It's a little hard to do on camera, but basically, and I'll pull this out for a second so you can see, but if you look in here, there's one hole. See that little one hole there? And then there's another hole on the opposite side. And what you need to do, and you might need a second person, honestly, is you have to drill your screw through there into the fake wood of the furniture, okay? And that's it. All right, guys, so it was a success. I was able to get this in. I used a drill, but I will tell you, you probably want to use a screwdriver, all right? Because if you use a drill and you over drill and you break the wood in your couch, which is fake wood, you know, I'm careful with my drill. I go nice and slow. I've got both screws in, so if I lift this up now, oh, by the way, yeah, check it out. Look at that. It works. My dog said, "What's going on, buddy?" But it works. Okay, and that's what it's about, you know. Hey, I love this couch. I mean, it might not be as soft as it used to be, but I love this couch. And so making it last longer. But yeah, let me just see if I can give you a peek. Yeah, actually, yeah, there goes one screw right there, okay? And then the other screw's right on the other side. All right, so yeah, if you can see in there. All right, there it goes. All right, but they're metal, and I bought two of them because they sell these separate. They don't come in sets, so I did buy two of them. She's like, "Come on already with this video." All right, guys, so what I will do is I'm going to put up a slide right now, and it's going to show you the description of what this looks like on Amazon, but I am going to put my link in the description, okay? Please use our link because it helps our channel, okay? We do get a small commission from Amazon now, a really small one, I promise you. But, you know, every little bit helps towards, you know, buying equipment, doing reviews, okay? So use our link, but here is the description. Take a good look at it, all right? You know, obviously, if you have any questions or any comments, just let me know, and I'd be glad to answer. I love collaborating with my subscribers. Don't forget, a like, very much so, will help us. So please give us a like. It helps the channel. And if you're a new subscriber, on the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see Tech Made Easy coming up soon. Click on that, and that will allow you to view our channel, hit subscribe, join our family, and don't forget to hit the bell next to subscribe. That'll notify you of new videos. I'm going to put some playlists on this side here, 1 or 2 playlists, different things, okay? One of them might be tools. But thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. I appreciate it, and I hope you join the family.